Nearly 70 years on, and today's pupils of the Cathedral School at Llandaf are literally following in the footsteps of Roald Dahl. As he was to write years later, many remarkable things happened to him as a boy, and perhaps that's where some of the marvellous ideas for his world-famous best-selling books came from. Roald Dahl's father, Harold, had moved from his native Norway to Cardiff at the turn of the century. Here he made his fortune as a shipbroker. Roald was born here and christened at the Norwegian church in the docks. After his father's death, the family moved to this house in Llandaf, and in 1923, when he was just 7, Roald Dahl began to attend the Cathedral School. Today's pupils are familiar with Roald Dahl's fantastic blend of the bizarre and the commonplace. In books like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Revolting Rhymes, Dirty Beasts, The Twits, and Boy, a sort of autobiography.
All made a lasting impression on him in more ways than one, didn't it?
Yes, I'm glad it wasn't permanent damage, but quite right. Mr. Coombs, his then headmaster, beat him very, very soundly when he put a mouse in a jar of gobstoppers. And when his mother saw the wheels on his bottom that evening in the bath, she stormed around immediately and took Roald away.
Do you think this is where he got some of his ideas for his later works from?
Well, I think the idea of putting a mouse in a gobstopper jar shows his sort of frame of mind, and that was the sort of chap he was.
You haven't put any mice in sweet jars lately, though, have you?
No. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
I bet you'd like to work there, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
What would be the perks of working in a chocolate factory?
To eat chocolates every night.